Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for VA disability benefits, full guide. Start by gathering your service records, medical evidence, and Form 21-526EZ. I'll walk you through eligibility, claim types, filing options, and how to prepare a fully developed claim. I'll explain how to submit online, by mail, or at a regional office and what to expect during review. Stay tuned for tips to strengthen your claim and avoid common delays, explained in simple steps. I'll explain who qualifies for VA disability and what evidence matters most. Start by confirming active duty, reserve, or National Guard service details and service connection. Medical nexus letters and treatment records are crucial, and buddy statements can support your claim. We will cover presumptive conditions, aggravation, and secondary service connection. By the end, you'll know which exams, timelines, and documentation strengthen approval chances and reduce back and forth with the VA. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more VA benefits content. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes keeping medical records tidy effortless with voice control and smart mapping. It's perfect for busy veterans who prefer hands-off cleaning while they collect records or attend appointments. Check the description for the link and current deals, and if you snag one, you'll thank me. Now let's get back to the video. In this segment, I'll explain online, mail, and in-person filing options and when to choose each. Use eBenefits or VA, Gov for faster filing, and to submit Form 21-526EZ electronically. If filing by mail, include copies of all records and a clear cover letter describing your claim. Prepare for C and P exams, track your claim through eBenefits, and respond promptly to VA requests. I'll share appeal basics and how to request higher-level reviews if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.